Hi there, Sue here again from Sue's Dog Life Kitchen, and at the moment I want to make a toad in the hole for. So let's crack on, shall we, with just getting on with it quick. So in this bowl here I have 140 grams of plain white flour, so 140 grams. So I'm just going to put a bit of salt and pepper in here. This is my recipe that I found ages ago, somewhere, I don't know where, but I found this recipe. I've made loads of toad in the Yorkshire puddings and stuff, and I've never found a recipe that actually worked. But this one seems to work every single time I do it. Let's just hope, I say that today, that it actually works, yeah? But it usually works every single time I've done it, okay? So it seems to be a foolproof if you stick to the ratio of what I'm going to tell you. So 140 grams of flour, plain white. In here I have 200 mils of semi-skimmed organic milk, okay? So I'm using organic milk. You can use whatever milk you want, but I like organic milk. Okay, so I'm just going to put that in here. And then you use 4 eggs, so I'm going to break them into here and put them in, okay? It's really easy, this recipe, and I found that it works every single time that I've done it. And in the oven, already, I've put in 8 sausages in a dish with some fat on. Well, I use lard, but you can use whatever fat you like. So I'm just going to tip these into here. The reason why I tipped them into the jug first was to make sure the eggs are okay, so I don't spoil all my mixture if one of them's not quite right. You never know at this time of year when the chickens are having babies and stuff. So anyway, I'm just going to whisk this all together, so it won't be a sec. Okay then, so I've whisked together the ingredients, so I'm just going to let them sit for a while the sausages sort of half cook, and then and the fat will be hot enough to tip the batter mixture into. So I've always found that the secret to making a good Yorkshire pudding is to make sure that the fat you use is hot, really, 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 really hot. Otherwise it tends not to rise, and also I have stuck to this ratio of ingredients religiously now for the past 5 years that I've been running this place, and it's come out every single time, like as a proper raised Yorkshire puddings. I used to make single ones when we used to do Sunday dinner, and I've never had a problem with this ratio. Ingredients for this recipe, if you leave me a comment below, I will put the ingredients on below the video, okay? So if I get enough people asking for the recipe, I will put it below, okay? So I'm just going to set this aside, and I'll come back in a minute when the sausages are half done, and I'll show you pouring this on, the batter mix onto the sausages, okay? So I'll see you in a minute. Hello again, Sue here from Sue's Dog Life Kitchen. I just want to show you the sausages that I've got in the oven. These are quite pink sausages, by the way. These are Welsh as well, from a Welsh supplier. I'm just going to put in the batter mix now, so it's nice and hot. So I'm just turning them a little bit. It doesn't really matter. So I'm just moving them around a little bit, like so. So they're sort of half done now. So I'm going to put the batter on them now, just spacing them apart again. Make sure they're spaced apart. Okay, so you can use as many sausages as you like, but I'm just using, I've got 8 in here. So I'm just pouring the batter over them now, and then I'm just going to put it straight back in the oven, okay? And I'll be back again in a minute when it's done, okay? Hello again from Sue's Dog Life Kitchen. I'm just going to just do a bit of gravy now to go with the toad in the hole that I'm doing, and so that's what I'm doing right now. So in this saucepan here, I've just put some some vegetable stock, but you can use beef stock if you want, or any kind of stock, but I'm using vegetable stock. And in here I've actually put 2 dessert spoons of Bisto, just mixed with a bit of water, and now I'm going to add it to this and I'm going to whisk it in so you don't get any lumps, just like that. And I just keep whisking it because I'm doing a quick graded stage. And if you whisk it, you don't get any lumps. And if it's too thick, you can always add some more stock. If it's too thin, add some more Bisto, but make sure you add it to water first. Don't just add it into the pan. I've always found that if I add gravy granules straight into it, they don't break up. So that's my experience. So I'm just going to add a little bit more stock. It's a little bit too thick there. There we are. That's better. It was a bit too thick. So we'll just let that simmer for a minute. And then we're just going to check on our toes in the hole. So toes in the hole is a really nice nutritious dish, doesn't take long to cook, and very, very quick if you're busy. Yeah, it's a very quick dish, it's not hard. So I'm just going to get it out now. Right, so there's my toes in the hole, which has been in the oven for about 35 minutes. And as you can see, it is actually done, and it's all nice and puffy like it should be. Yep, it's perfect. It's a perfect toad in the hole. So that's how you make Yorkshire pudding. This always comes out perfectly with this ratio, what I said before, 140 grams of flour, plain, 200 mils of milk, 4 eggs, salt and pepper, and make sure that the fat is really, really, really hot before you put it in the oven, right? So that's the ingredient, that's the secret really, is to make sure that the fat is really, really hot before you put it on. But this always works, and it's a really nice, it's crunchy, nice yumminess. Yeah, this is nice home comfort food. So I'm just going to put a bit on a plate so you can see what it looks like. Meanwhile, our gravy is done. Just cut this bit here, I think. So, there we are. It's very easy to move around. That's it. So there we are. Just put it on the plate, okay? And just eat a bit. That's it. So yeah, that's it really. Not much else I can say. Gravy on. Okay. There's the gravy. It's done. A little bit out. Pour a little bit on, and there. I love toad in the hole. I don't know about you, but I really like toad in the hole, so I'm just going to try a little bit of it, and I'll let you know what it's like. So these are pork sausages, what I've used here, but you can use whatever sausages you like, and I'll let you know what it tastes like. Hot, very hot. Very hot. There we are. So I hope you enjoyed my video today with my toad in the hole. I'm just going to pop it in the oven for a second to keep it hot while I chat. I don't want it to get cold. And then I'm going to dish it up in a minute for me and my partner to have for dinner. So This is probably my portion anyway. I won't eat more than that. So I hope you enjoyed my video today. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. Leave a comment below if you would like the ingredients for this recipe, and also the gravy, because it's very simple to make misto gravy. But yeah, if you'd like the ratio of gravy, then just leave a comment below. And subscribe to my channel, please, and tell your family about my channel as well, your family and friends. And if there's anything that you would like me to cook, just leave a comment below, and I will endeavour to cook it for you. So I hope you enjoyed this today. It was very basic, very simple, how to make a Yorkshire pudding batter mix for a toad in a hole, basically. That's what it is. So thank you very much for watching my channel, and I'll see you again soon. So bye for now.